So if you
fishing country, and we are working here since 3, 4, 5 years, looking for the good.
That coffee, and thank you for your deep interest in coffee. I believe that coffee has, and coffee farming has a potential.
Kerry's an Irish company, primarily supplying.
That we needed to scale up, but he also spoke about avocado. Today, I would like to share.
Because I can spend hours answering you. The reclamation of the water, then using the water for irrigation. I think God has arranged all my stakeholders together today here. The diplomats, the private sector in the different areas. So I'm really very happy with we have got a lot of work to do with water and with energy, a lot of work. That was
a few million years, I think.
Absolutely.
But I'm from Sweden, exactly. This is actually a mission that we share.
This is the Swedish boy.
Well, yes. But you mentioned the metamorphosis and why we are here also. We are here with a business delegation of 8 European companies, investors. And then I see we have the Belgian chargé, Luc Pierson, who has brought one from the Italian embassy, who has brought one Italian investor, one company.
The demand is not so big. Uganda has favored us. It has done all the engineering. You have all these mountains, those hills like here, where you can pump water to a high ground, and it comes by gravity to do irrigation, to do whatever you want to do. So you can see the combination, the fish farming, the wetland reclamation. Because I can spend hours.
Transport. Great, really, great, really. And we are so happy to be here, and it's I must say, it's a really beautiful surroundings here. I understand this is the.
And then you had the peasants, the farmers.